you. In front of me I've got Motorola Moto G82. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap the button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, enter voice match and make sure to enable Hey Google. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Once you're sure it's working, let's go back and go to lock screen. Make sure that this function is also enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It will be partly cloudy, with a high of 22 and a low of 9.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.